Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is FJ88FX. In today's video, we're gonna see what will happen if you put a floppy disk into a USB floppy disk on an iMac G3 running with macOS 10.2 Jaguar. And I cleaned the keyboard. Some of you guys, may have noticed. Some of you guys have not noticed. I got the keyboard yesterday, and some of you guys may have seen it in my previous video, but enough with that, and let's get it started. And there is no home button on this keyboard anymore, but my other keyboard is in the closet over there, because it's missing a couple of keys because it was just broken because it's getting old. But we're gonna use this one because I think this might look like a non-bootable floppy disk. Turn on. And I thought about doing this if I have like an i3 processor, I can swap out the power PC and put it in here, but I gotta see if that can work. If not, I guess I'm gonna have to stick with the power PC because I want like a faster processor that's better than power PC, because power PC they suck because they're very slow. And I'm putting my other floppy disk right here just in case if it can work. Here we go. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use the red one because I want to see if it can actually read it. Because if it is a non-bootable floppy disk, I would be impressed because I can put like a game in here, like an old school game. And I changed my background on this computer, and let's put the floppy disk in. Stick it in there. Let's see if it can actually fit. See what it sounds like. And it should be popping up any moment right now. But let's play a game because. Let's play a game, and I'll put the game into the link in the description because I only have two games, which is chess and video poker. But I wish I had Harry Potter on here because that would be nice because I can play Harry Potter on an old Mac. Well, I'm gonna use this keyboard because the other keyboard missing a couple of buttons. And everything will work. The volume button. And sometimes the CD can be a little pain in the ass. And there is the floppy disk. It's a no name. But we'll see what's on it because that's what I want to see. Okay, there's nothing on it. There's 1.3 megabyte available. But I can upload an image on this computer, but it has to be on a low spec. But it can't be a big file. If I put a big file on here, it won't like directly be on the floppy disk. And I'm starting to collect floppy disks because I'm trying to break like a world record for having the most floppy disks because that's what I'm trying to do. Let's go to application and let's play poker 1.24. I'll see if I can find the actual game into the link in the description. Like, not the link in the description, but I'll see what I can find it on the website. Because if not, I'm gonna have to keep looking. Yeah, let's click deal. Oh, I got lucky. I'm gonna hold this. Almost a full house, but I'm gonna get rid of the 5. You have won $2. Alright, with cash. Nothing good. I lost. Alright, we'll test it out poker. Let's try out more floppy disks because I want to see if all of them can actually work on this computer. And this is what it's gonna say to. This is what it's gonna say to me. It said the device you removed was not properly put away. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna try out the purple one because the purple one is actually just like the other one, and you can actually see inside of it, which is pretty cool. Which is an IBM floppy disk. And I like this one. This one's like a gray blue because you can actually see inside of it. But the purple one, you can like barely look in there. Put it in here. And I tried to install Blender animation on this computer, but I can't install it. There's not enough megabyte to install. But maybe if I can put it on a floppy disk, that would be nice because it gives me more room. And I will be making a floppy disk game if I have a another USB floppy disk drive for Windows. I'll burn the game on here. And I wish I have a Macintosh Classic. If you guys do own one and you guys don't want anymore, you guys can actually donate to me. But if you're gonna donate it to me, I would recommend talking to me on Google Plus. And I'll give you my address if you guys can mail it to me. You guys can mail it to me, or you can just do like a local pickup. And this one had a different name. It said unlabeled lice. But some of the floppy disks, like this one over here, it just say uninitialized. Let's do something on this one. Nope. I guess it might be all empty on here. And that is pretty much it. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy it. And before I go, I'm gonna test out this button right here, which is the CD. I'll see what will happen. And it actually works. And stay tuned.